Hey everyone, welcome back in today's video. Let me show you what are the new enhancement that happens inside Odoo 19.4 accounting module. So let me move on to the accounting module first of all. From there itself, you can see a few changes that can make everyday accounting works a lot more easier. So there is an improvement that happens inside your vendors and the bills. There you can simply detect the duplicates. So now Odoo can identify the potential duplicate entries that gives you in a two levels of warning. So from here itself, you can see that we have three duplicates of one of them. Like for this particular vendor bill, I just created two more duplicates, and two of them is detected in the red and one of them is in yellow. So the red one indicates that this particular bill is more similar. They we have more similarities to the other one that I duplicated. So there you can see the vendor, the bill date, and the reference as well have the similarity. So that's why Odoo is showing in a red color so that you can find them. And there we have the yellow one that indicates that we have a slight similarity when we compare him with the red one. Okay. So if I'm taking this one, there you can see this is the warning message that Odoo give you. This document might be duplicate of this particular vendor bill. Okay. So once you guys need to confirm and post this one, you can see that this particular red color warning doesn't even disappear because of what this is a important thing that you guys need to understand and that Odoo should give you. Okay. So there you can see here we have an option to delete the all duplicates as well. So at any time you can delete them. And if I'm moving back to the bills and selecting this yellow one and after onwards, there you can see this is the message. This document might be a duplicate of the another vendor bill. And if you want to view all of them, you can simply click on this option as well. And if I'm confirming this one and post this, there you can see this particular yellow warning disappears evenly because of why there we have a slide duplication. Okay, detect only a slide duplication. That's why. And now let's look at the next improvement that you can find from here itself. Like there we have a smart button for journal items. Once I've posted, you can see on the top of the bills that you can there you have an option to move on to the journal items. So when you are working on an accounting document, you can quickly access the related journal entries without having to search for them separately by moving on to the accounting and under the journal entries. You don't want to find from there itself, you can simply click on that smart button. So it's a small change, but it can save quite a bit of time when reviewing any kind of transactions as well. And there we have one more thing. If I'm selecting one of the journal entry, something like this, I can simply split this. Okay, there we have an option to split this on the quantity basis or something like that, and you can add up them. Okay, there we have one more thing. And now let's look at another useful improvement. It is actually automatic bank reconciliation. If I'm moving on to the bank itself, sorry. Okay, there we have the bank and there we have 8 to reconcile. If I'm say simply clicking on them, previously you might have had to wait for the automatic process that rely on the scheduled section or the scheduled process or the actions as well. So now you can simply trigger the reconciliation manually whenever you need it, and as well as there we have an option. If I'm moving on to the gear icon, there you can see an option to run auto reconciliation. Simply click on this option and Odoo will do, like you can provide the journal and the start date as well. If I want to select from the July 1st itself, I can simply run it. Okay. And the automatic reconciliation is done. Okay. So this gives you more control, especially when you're working with a newly imported banks transaction as well. So this is another improvement. And there we have one more thing, which means if you want to download any documents of your invoices, you can also do them by moving on to the customer invoices and select any of the invoice that you need. And there we have a smart button to download any kind of attached files or something like that. So these are the main things. So overall, the accounting updates in Odoo 19.4 are focused on making things faster, easier to review, and less prone to duplicate entries as well. So if you're just confused that to create, like if you guys are doing any kind of mistakes inside Odoo 19 accounting module, and you don't have a system, what you need to do, take your phone, download the Mobo, which is the mobile suite of Odoo. We Cybrosys introduced a mobile suite. Okay, so you can simply make any kind of things that you guys are doing inside the Odoo using a system or a laptop or something like that. You can simply scroll on your phone, and you can add any kind of configuration option. If you want to attach any kind of files, you can do them. If you want to download any kind of documents, also you can do them. If you want to post any journal entries, if you want to review any kind of reports, also you guys can do them. Okay, so that's how simply this Mobo, which means the mobile suite of Odoo, gives you. Okay, so this is the basic advantages, and if you want to know more, please click on the link that I provided on the description box. You can download Mobo from the App Store and the Play Store, and let me know your the reviews about the Mobo. Please let me know, because we are considering you guys. Okay, so that's why. So that's the most important thing that I want to give you, or I want to say you, and this all about this video. I hope you understood this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another kind of improvements or enhancements in Odoo 19.4. Till the next video, bye bye.